Welcome back, guys. You're watching Today's Platinum, and in this video we're going to be going over the top 4 coins for next week. Looking for some swing trades, basically just another weekly analysis. We do this once per week. Just started doing it actually last week, looking at the market leaders as well as 4 coins that I've identified as possible longer term swing plays, looking for some nice upside gains. So if you guys enjoy this type of content, definitely subscribe and leave a like on this video, and also leave your top 4 coins for this week, planning ahead of time in the comment section below. So with that out of the way, if you guys are interested in our one-on-one coaching calls, we basically help you guys identify your specific situation and construct a trading plan that would help benefit you for the most part, specifically just your situation and what exactly would work with your given circumstances. So if you guys are interested in coaching calls, we have 2 years of trading experience and 1+ years in the cryptocurrency market. So definitely check those out and any other resources you find in the description. So moving on into the weekly analysis. Overall, Bitcoin's kind of moved in between the same kind of price channel that we've been seeing it move in, about $600 worth of price variation, anywhere from about 7,100 up to about 7,700 in price variation over the last week or so. So we are looking to see a move coming up either in the upside or downside. So jumping into 4 coins that I've identified that have potential, ICX, Icon being one of them. After a bull market and a pretty large retracement following that, back to over the 61% retracement from the top that it had after that bull market, and we are now holding above a pretty nice support line right at 33.14. Looking to push up from here. So we almost just bounced off that RSI 30 line, which would signal oversold on the 4-hour chart. So considering we bounced off this support, we could see a 13% bounce back up to this point, 37.60, and considering the long-term moving average is actually looking to break back above the 50-day pretty soon here, hopefully, once we see some more price action, and also this long-term trend line looking to see this price continue to move upwards. So hopefully the bottom was right around the support line, but we'll have to see. So Icon, I would look to buy anywhere from this line right here, the support 33.01, down to the rest of these support lines. Next one would be 3088, 2844, 2621, and the bottom one would be 2154, right about there. So moving into the second coin that I've deemed that has investment potential, looks like we are just starting to see the 200-day moving average make its way back above the 50-day, which would signify a bullish trend. Hopefully we can see that happen, but NEO definitely has some large investment potential. You can see the long-term support definitely approaching that right around $44. We are currently right above another support about around $51, so hopefully we'll stay around that zone. It's a good price to definitely buy at right now already, but also these zones down here. So look to accumulate on the way down, and then with a 12% rise back up to $58, which would be the next resistance, and then to the next one if you want to drag this up. Look for about a 28% gain, and all the way to the top of the upside could be anywhere from 78% if we get back up to that $92 mark. So for a longer term play, definitely NEO definitely provides a good price to buy in at. Number 3 is Qtum. Now we have seen Qtum kind of go from this all-time low all the way up to this all-time high, and now we're kind of in the middle, more towards the downside. So we saw a bounce off this support at around 1512, and now we're riding above a support of about 1684. So I would look to purchase around that support line again. Hopefully we break back down and become oversold again. I would look to accumulate between this support right here, 1684, all the way down to 1480. There's really no other concrete support lines below that, except we could possibly identify one right around that point. Let me see what that point is, 1324. So between 1688 and 1324 would be the zone that I would look to buy in, and on the upside could be an 82% price increase back up to where we just saw Qtum literally a month ago. So hopefully we'll see the price return to that. Number 4 is Litecoin. Now, Litecoin provides a pretty large investment potential, considering we've hit this long-term support of about $110. And we have since started to move up from there. So the investment potential back up to around 170, 180, where we were at about the beginning of May, would bring about a 63% price increase if we were to buy at this lower support line. So I would look to buy anywhere from a 111 down to that lowest support of about 101, and be careful if it breaks below that. But Litecoin clearly is providing some large potential to make moves back up to recent highs. So, first large resistance would be 61%. The next one would be about 120, and the one after that 170%. So Litecoin definitely providing some long-term investment potential. So overall, take a look at the Bitcoin chart. Not much to say about Bitcoin for this week. We're still moving in this little price channel of about $600 difference, and we are waiting obviously for some developments, but we are obviously riding along this bottom support line of this wedge. 200 days starting to move up to cross over the 50-day, which would be a bullish signal, and it does appear that we can clearly identify some bullish trend, some clear bullish trend line that we are starting to move up. So hopefully we continue to see this movement and we break out above towards that 8,800 line, break past 8,000, then past 8,800, and move on to 10,000 possibly. So overall, the market looks bullish, which is why I wanted to bring these coins to your attention this week, guys. Could definitely provide some long-term investment potential. But considering Bitcoin's looking to move up, I would look to invest in NEO against the US dollar or Tether for this next week. So comment your top 4 coins for this week, guys, below, and we will go ahead and see what happens for these coins for the next week. So they're all providing some pretty large investment potential, all riding around some pretty large support lines. So again, these are just coins that I've identified that have a large potential, for the next week, and also longer term, coins that you could accumulate for the longer term swing trade. So hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what your 4 coins are, what coins you're looking at for a longer term swing trade for this next week. And yeah, guys, I will see you in the next video. Have a good one.